Hello and welcome to our introduction to OverDrive. This is Amanda at Chatham Community Library. OverDrive is the library's resource for online books and audiobooks that you can use on a computer, phone, tablet, or other mobile device. With your Chatham County Library card, you can check out 4 items at a time and have 4 on hold. To read or listen on your computer, which is what we'll focus on today, start from the library website. On the home page, click on E-Ink Library under Featured Online Resources. This will take you to the OverDrive website, which you can bookmark for quicker access in the future. Click Sign In at the top right of the page. Then, choose Chatham County Public Library from the drop-down list. Next, you'll enter your card information. That will be your full library card number, which you can find on the back of your card with no spaces. Your PIN will be the last 4 digits of this card number unless you've changed it. If you have trouble with your PIN, please contact the library. I'll be entering my information off-screen for the sake of privacy. Once you've signed in, you'll see this home screen. Let's take a look at a few of the things you'll find here. In the top left, you'll see a purple book logo. This icon will return you to this home page anytime from wherever you are on the OverDrive website. Below, you'll see a few options: subjects, collections, etc. Using these, you can browse by genre, popular books, available books, and other categories. This is useful if you have a very general idea of what you want, but need to explore your options. To the right of these, you'll see Search. The search function allows you to search for books by title, author, and keyword. This is useful if you know exactly what you're looking for. Now that we've seen how to find books, let's take a look at the options to the right of search. You'll see a bell icon, a books icon, and My Account. The bell is where you'll find your notifications. OverDrive will let you know that your holds are available and give you other important notifications here. If you have an unread notification, the bell will have a small dot next to it. The books icon is your shelf. This is where you'll find books you've checked out. Under My Account, you'll find a few options related to your account. Loans will take you to the same place as the book icon, the items you have checked out. Holds is where you'll find books that you've put on hold. In your wish list, you can keep track of items that you'd like to read. This can be handy if you've placed all the holds possible and you want to keep more books in mind. The wish list is nearly limitless. You can add 5,000 titles. Next is rated titles, which are books you've rated. Just like product reviews, you and other users will see a book's average rating. Recommendations are books that you have recommended we purchase for our online collection. We'll talk about how to do that in a moment, and these recommendations are separate from recommendations for our physical collection. Next, your history records books you've checked out. It is recorded by default, but you can change your settings, which are below history. Here in Settings, you can change a few of your preferences, including lending period, audience, and display options. Now that we've had an intro to where everything is, let's find and check out a book. I'll use the search feature for now, but you can browse by category as well. First, I'll click Search, then start typing an author's name. For this example, I'll use Dan Brown. You'll see that as I type, the search bar will autofill some suggestions. These could be authors, titles, or series names. If one of these is what you're looking for, great. You can click on it and your search results will appear. If not, you can finish typing your search and click the magnifying glass to the right, or press Enter on the keyboard. After a moment, your search results will appear. By default, the results are sorted by relevance. On the left, you can narrow your search further if necessary. Let's take a look at the top row of books. Some of them are ready to check out immediately, and some of them must be put on hold. There are 2 ways to tell. At the top of the book cover image, you will see Available. wait list, or if you've already got something checked out, borrowed. Wait list means that it will have to be put on hold. You'll also see at the bottom of the book, borrow, place a hold, or go to loans. If you'd like to only see items that are available to borrow now, click Available Now on the left side of the page. Books we don't own will appear at the bottom of the page, and you can choose to recommend them to us if you'd like. Once you find a book you like, you can simply click Borrow. If you need more information about a book, you can click on the book itself. There you'll see further details and options, including a synopsis. You can borrow from this screen as well. Once you click Borrow, you'll be able to choose your lending period. The longest possible for books is 21 days, and the longest for audiobooks is 14 days. You can set the default in your settings. After you confirm that you'd like to borrow, you'll see your due date and reading options. For now, we're focusing on reading in the browser, so that's the option we'll choose. This will open the book in a new tab, and we're ready to read. Click the right side of the screen to turn the page, and the left to turn back a page. If you're done reading for now, you can simply close the tab with your book in it. OverDrive will save your place. Next time you visit the website and want to read your book, you'll visit your shelf using the Books icon, or by going into My Account, then Loans. You'll see all the books you have checked out, and you'll click Read Now in Browser to continue reading. A couple of notes. First, keep in mind that just like with physical books, we have a limited number of copies of each ebook. This means that you may have to place a hold and wait a while for the book you want. Next, a reminder that you can have 4 items out and 4 holds at a time. You can return your books manually from the loans page, but they will return themselves automatically on their due date, so keep an eye on them. Items can be renewed within 3 days of the due date, as long as nobody else is waiting for them. We've covered the basics for reading in the browser, but you can also find information about reading on mobile devices on our website. In the left menu, you'll see Download eBooks, and there you'll find instructions for lots of different devices and how to get ebooks on them. That's all for now, but if you have further questions, feel free to get in touch. You can chat with us by using the Ask a Librarian link at the bottom of the page. You can send us an email or give us a call. Happy reading!